Good day, I am Zarafe R. Versales from the class of ARC22 and a student of CWTS. So today, I make my own problem tree and I'm here to discuss what's in it. So for the problem that I chose is corruption. We can all say naman po na corruption is one of the major problems here in the Philippines, and ang dami na pong lumalabas na news about it. So what are the cause for that? So what I did put in my problem tree is the cause is the corrupt politicians. Why? Because yun nga po, due to the recent news na lumalabas kung paano mag-corrupt yung mga politicians who are supposed to be the leaders of this country, pero sila pa yung nagiging cause kung bakit nagkakaroon ng problema sa bansa natin. So for the effects, I did put poverty. Well, actually there's a lot of effects pa sa mga nangyari. I mean, there are a lot of effects pa na caused by the corrupt politicians, by corruption. But I did put poverty. Yun ang pinaka-highlight ko because poverty is one of the major issues here in the Philippines. As we all know naman na there's a lot of Filipinos na naghihirap and parang thinking na there are some politicians out there who in a way na ina-enjoy ba yung pera ng Pilipino. Nakakagalit siya as a Filipino, nakakagalit siya kasi dapat yung pera na yon is supposed to use sa magagandang bagay, which is to help the Filipino community, but since they are corrupt, ito po yung nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas. And I hope that every Filipino now is aware kung ano talagang ginagawa ng mga politicians na to. So that's it for my presentation. I hope na-explain ko siya ng maayos, and I hope that may natutunan sa aking presentation. Thank you.